luxury sedan, good battery, fabulous market, China, autonomous driving using NVIDIA's platform, which I have seen and is a wonder to behold. But what I heard from NIO is what Tesla's given me. And the piece I'm writing for Real Money is a lot about how these companies can raise any amount of money and do whatever they want. They're not capital constrained. And to not be capital constrained is going to make it so EV adoption is going to happen much faster than people realize.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are talking about NIO. Now, recently, NIO has had a lot of excitement behind it with all of the different deals and news coming out about NIO. And today, we saw them hit all-time highs and then sell off a little bit after hours. It looks like they're recovering now. So we have, some articles and news that came out after hours that I want to go over. But before we get into that, if you don't mind dropping a like and hitting subscribe, it really helps out the channel. And thank you guys who signed up with the Patreon. That link is in the description if you guys want to join. And if not, we have the free Discord server. And also, I have to mention my Webull referral link if you guys want to support the channel and sign up with that. When you deposit $100, you get 4 free stocks. Now let's get into it. So this article came out this morning and it says NIO stock hits record highs after unveiling new sedan and a powerful battery pack. So we saw, this morning NIO was way up in the pre-market and then kind of leveled out throughout the day. And then towards the end of the day, we saw it sell off a bit. So on Saturday, they, unveiled the luxury sedan called the ET7, which I think is a really cool looking car. I would definitely drive that car if it was available to me. It's starting at $69,193 with the battery, and then without the battery pack, it's $58,378. So they also unveiled the partnership with NVIDIA, which is another fantastic company. I held shares in NVIDIA as well. The sedan will include NVIDIA's Orin system on a chip or SoC technology, which will offer advanced automated driving capabilities. So the Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives dubbed the company's battery technology the star of the show. NIO also introduced a more powerful 150 kilowatt hour battery pack, which is an improvement over the 100 kilowatt battery pack they launched in November. This gives NIO's vehicles a claimed range of 625 miles, which is awesome to see the company already stepping their game up from November and introducing new things. The CEO, William Li, also indicated the company might manufacture mass EV products just under a different name. So hopefully we get more clear guidance on that in the coming weeks and months. And also, NIO is looking to expand globally, starting with Europe. So a lot of positive things for the company. So why did they sell off a little bit after hours? So Citi downgraded NIO to neutral after unveiling a good but not good enough ET7. Citi analyst Jeff Chung downgraded NIO to neutral from buy. So that's where the downgrade comes in. But he gave him a price target of $68.30, which threw me off because that sounds like an upgrade to me. But, people just see downgrade in the headline and automatically want to sell. It just doesn't look good. But I'm not too worried about it because over here, Deutsche Bank gave them a price target raise to 70 from 50, and then Bank of America gave them a price target raise to 70 from 59. So maybe this guy from Citi just wants to buy some NIO shares at a discount. I'm not really sure. I wouldn't worry too much about it, though. Another reason NIO dipped after hours is because they announced a proposed offering of $1.3 billion in convertible senior notes. And usually when people hear offering, it causes the stock to go down because they associate this with share dilution. And that's just how it goes. You typically see a stock go down when you hear of an offering. And we also know that NIO had an offering not too long ago. So again, maybe people are getting a little worried about NIO, but I think this is actually a good thing, and we're going to get into that. So they did an offering of $650 million in 2026 notes, and then another $650 million in 2027 notes. And the company plans to use these net proceeds from the notes mainly for general corporate purposes to strengthen their cash and balance sheet positions. The reason I don't look at this as a negative is because we know the company's trying to grow and expand, and they have a lot going for them right now, and they probably just need some extra cash to further grow their business. So that's why I'm not too worried about this. It also says here that the notes will mature on February 1st of 2026 and 2027 and so on, unless repurchased, redeemed, or converted in accordance with their terms prior to such date. Prior to August 1st, 2025, in the case of the 2026 notes, it would be August 1st, 2026, and then so on to 2027. The notes will be convertible at the option of the holders only upon satisfaction of certain conditions and during certain periods. And then it has more details on that, but I really don't look at this as a negative thing. So the reason I'm not too worried about this is because it's a debt offering that matures years out, and it's not going to cause share dilution for NEO right now. In fact, they're going to have several options to buy back these notes at specific dates, like we discussed in the article. So this is not going to affect their stock right now. I think a lot of people just saw the offering and maybe panic sold, or we saw just a lot of selling after hours. But this is actually a good thing because they're raising capital. They have a lot on the horizon. We just saw them unveil a lot on NEO Day. The company's growing, expanding. Basically, they just need this money right now, and I think it's a good thing. It's way better than them doing an equity offering where the company gives up stock or ownership for capital. And also, the people buying these notes have confidence the share price will appreciate. I'm not sure who's buying the notes. I don't know that much detail, but they obviously have confidence in NEO, which is a good thing, and they're just doing this to have some extra cash. So aside from the city downgrade and what I believe to be a misunderstanding with the offering, NEO has a lot going for them right now. They had the new sedan come out. They had an awesome NEO Day. A lot of momentum behind the company and the stock right now. A lot of eyes on NEO as the next big thing. They are working on expanding. They're actually, like we said, raising money to expand further. They have partnerships coming out. So they unveiled the NVIDIA partnership. Now I'm seeing this Qualcomm partners NEO to spur 5G-backed autonomous driving. And a little part of this article right here says, NEO will capitalize on Qualcomm's much-acclaimed Snapdragon Automotive 5G platform and third-generation Snapdragon Automotive cockpit. This will bolster future-proof automotive innovation technologies while delivering immersive, interactive experiences to its users. And Qualcomm is known for providing several auto giants with the best in-class digital cockpit technologies. So like I said, I wouldn't worry about this at all. NEO has a lot going for them right now. And if you look at their stock price now, so after hours, we did see the sell-off from around 65. It dipped into the 50s, but quickly recovered back to 62.30. I wouldn't be surprised if we did see maybe a couple days of selling off. I'm really not sure, but I would be definitely adding to my NEO position if it were to sell off a bit more. So yeah, top of the day was about $66, and then bottom after hours went to 59, but not looking too bad. I think this is one where people would easily love to buy the dip. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video on NEO and talking about the news, good and bad, and then my insight on the after hours sell-off. But let me know what you guys think about NEO at these prices. Are you waiting for a pullback, or do you think NEO is going to quickly recover and head even higher? Let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Check out the links to Webull, the Patreon, and the Discord, and have a good one.